Okay, let's look at simplifying number 7. This is a subtraction question. So to get started, we're going to factor. So again, we've got denominators that need to be factored. So go ahead and factor each of the denominators. So we're going to write this out factored, and it's going to look like this. Oops, I've got my x. Okay, let's go and write down our restrictions. X cannot equal -3, 2, -3 we already have written, and -1. Okay, let's look at a common denominator now. So in my denominator, I need to have the x plus 3 and the x minus 2. So we're going to put that there in the denominator. I already have x plus 3 once, so I just need it once. Here I have x plus 1. That's not in here yet. I need to include that as well. Let's then look. So now you have 3 binomials in here. So x plus 3 and x minus 2 still needs to be multiplied by x plus 1. So that's what you're going to multiply the numerator that's there by is x plus 1. And again, I like to think what was missing in the denominator. If you were to cover up the one that was missing, that was your original question. Minus x plus 3, x plus 1, we're missing the x minus 2. So we're multiplying the numerator by x minus 2. So that again, if those were gone, you would have your original question again. So let's simplify the numerator again. So you're going to have to FOIL this out. So you're going to get x squared, the inside and outside, -1 and x will cancel. So -1. Minus, you need to FOIL this before you bring that negative sign through. So I'm going to write another larger set of brackets to kind of visualize that. So x squared minus 4x plus 4 when you multiply that out. The denominator just stays in factored form. Afterwards, you might want to look to see if it cancels with anything. Okay, clean up that numerator by bringing through the negative sign now. Leave your denominator the same. Now we have to combine like terms. X squared minus x squared, those will actually cancel. So we have -1 and -4 and 4x. We're going to write the 4x first. -1, -4, we're going to get -5 over your denominator, x plus 3, x minus 2, x plus 1. We look to see if we can reduce this or simplify rather, and we don't have a GCF we can factor. 4x minus 5 is not part of our denominator, so we cannot simplify that further.